10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
On the count of 3, we're going to cut this ribbon. 1,
Everybody yell.
2.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is July the 9th, 2026, and I am in Tipp City, Ohio for the grand opening of the Wawa gas station. It's located right off I-75, exit 69. Music's going to kill me here, but we are here. We're going to take you in and show you around the new Wawa. This is just an actual gas station. We've already did some travel centers. One was in Richmond, Indiana. Ron did that, and I did one in Lima, Ohio, so make sure you check those out. So today's grand opening, we're just at a regular gas station. It's number 42, they say, out of 100 of the Wawas. We're going to take you in. The doors open at 7:59. So they're giving away t-shirts to the first 100 people, free coffee, which is actually going to be good till July 21st. So I'll take you in and show you the Wawa, do a little drone footage, and possibly get something to eat. So follow me.
You can become a channel member for just 99 cents a month, and that helps to support the channel.
And we want to thank all of our channel members for your support. Got very long lines. They're giving out shirts to the first 100 people. It's like all the ceremonies will be out here. There's going to be a grand opening ceremony at 8:30. So we're going to walk around here, check out all the excitement. Go find Wally Goose. Got a lot of music going on out here, which is they always do that. Okay, you can see the line wraps around the building. So it's a very, very good line here. Wraps all the way almost around the one side of the building. I do see Wally Goose. Looks like Wally Goose is trying to cool off. I'm sure that outfit is hot.
Pretty good.
All right, it's about that time for the opening of the grand opening of the doors. So we're going to go in back here and check out how long the line really is. There's Wally again. All right, it's got a very nice line here. Wraps around the building. So we'll go check out the line again. And it's really grown since the last time I walked through here. So we will see.
Welcome you to the 2026 grand opening tour. This year our country celebrates its 250th year anniversary, and we're opening nearly 100 stores in 14 states. All of this combined is truly a reason to party, and we hope that you'll party with us this morning. When the doors open, we'll have t-shirts celebrating the party for the first 100 customers, and we'll invite everyone inside for a fresh hot cup of coffee and to toast the celebration. Please join us again at 8:30 for the ribbon cutting ceremony, including our signature Hoagies for Heroes hoagie building competition between local and first responders. So without further ado, let's count down to the moment you've all been waiting for. And Wally the Goose will do the honors to open the door for the very first time. So here we go, help me out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, the grand opening has now officially started. Wawa is now open. Everyone's starting to get in the line. Just getting their shirts as they walk in. So we'll go inside here shortly and I'll show you around. All right, we are getting ready to walk inside of the Wawa. Unfortunately, we did not be able to get one of the shirts. That's all right. I wasn't able to get one of the shirts, but I was able to get a picture of what the front of the shirt looked like and the back of the shirt looks like.
And this is what will be on the rest of the shirts for the rest of the grand openings that you would show up to.
What this looks like in here. We have an ATM on this side. Got all of our beverage centers over here. Got free coffee on this side. All the stuff you need to build up a coffee that you want to get. Over here is the beverages. They have lattes, milkshakes, teas, smoothies, and more. Order, and they'll come over here and you're going to pick up your order. Over here is the made to order. Have everything from breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Soups and salads. You order this side off the kiosks and you actually pick up over here. There's Wally getting some photos. We also have some more made-to-order items in this store. And if you're a mobile person here, you got mobile pickup, you will pick it up right here. And also back here we have the restrooms. Go back this way. Come back here, we have our ice creams. Got all the coolers with the teas, the waters, sports drinks. Got your pops. And when you get over this side, we have the beer cave. So we have all of our alcoholic beverages, and they actually have an actual room that we can walk into. And it's nice and cold in here, and they have all kinds of drinks that are also cold. So cold I can see my breath in here. It's a nice little beer cooler. Get all kinds of drinks that out there. Some are more than others. Cool mural in here, some beers and wines. Can we come out? It's kind of cold. And as you also, if you come out, you have your normal aisles. Got your chips, your pops, your snacks, and your candies. And if you also don't want to order anything to eat, we do have the made-to-order section. So all you got to do is pick up something, grab and go. Got croissants, bacon, we got biscuits, hash browns. You can just grab whatever you like right here. Take it up to the counter and pay for it. Grab and go. There's a picture of the breakfast items that they have for the grab and go this morning. I'm sure at lunch they put out some other sandwiches. Grand opening special, you can get any short hoagie made for $4. You can get a 16-ounce smoothie for $3. And we do have the actual bakery area. Get your donuts, croissants. Okay, over here, it looks like they put Wally the Goose to work. Wally's actually working over there. Kind of fun. This is where you'll pay for your items once you purchase them, or you can actually use these kiosks. They do not accept cash at the kiosks. Those are all credit. We have another register over here.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Tipp City Wawa. Let's make some noise. Great having everybody here. Good morning. Just so you know, my name is Dan Holiday. I'm a fellow general manager with Josh here in Ohio, and it's my honor to extend a warm welcome to the state and local officials, members of the media, community partners, family members, and friends that are with us here today. 2026 is a big year for not only Wawa, but for our country. July 4th marked the 250th birthday of our nation with the signing of the Declaration of Independence in our hometown in Philadelphia. I'll cheers to that. Wawa's history in American business starts more than 220 years ago with our founding family roots in iron, textile, and later in dairy farming. This led to a dairy with a strong reputation for quality products and door-to-door milk delivery business known for its outstanding customer service. From there, times changed, and our founder, Graham Wood, opened our first Wawa food market in Folsom, Pennsylvania in 1964 to meet the ever-changing needs of the community. Today, we continue to be family and associate-owned and continue to celebrate the American dream by fulfilling lives every day. Our founder's vision of friends and neighbors serving friends and neighbors is stronger than over 50,000 associates at over 1,200 stores across our 13 states that we're in, and counting. And with every new store this year, we plan to party and commemorate the day with a celebration of the community, for the community, and with the people of each community. And now, please welcome our area manager here in Ohio, Robert Taubenslag, to share more about the community and our commitment.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? Come on, I know you can all be louder than that. I heard you guys. First off, give yourselves a huge round of applause. You showed up this morning. You wrapped around the building. It was beautiful. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you all for coming out today. All right, so now, the moment I'm sure most of you have been waiting for, I'm going to turn it over to your general manager, the man, the myth, the legend, Josh Peters, and he's going to introduce what's happening behind me. Josh, come on up.
Thank you, Rob. I'm excited to kick off our Hoagies for Heroes building contest today. As the teams take their place behind the tables, let me give you some background. At Wawa, we hold a special place in our hearts for our first responders of our communities and those that are serving our communities with important services. We have the utmost appreciation for all that they do, and we show that through our Hoagie for Heroes signature initiative at every one of our grand openings. This contest gives us a way to recognize our local heroes, donate to local causes, and have fun all at the same time. Today we have representatives from the Tipp City Police Department and the Tipp City Fire Department. Can we give them a round of applause? The goal of the contest is to build as many Hoagies as possible within 2 minutes, and the winning team will earn the all-important bragging rights and the trophy, and Wawa will donate $1,000 to each team's charity of choice so everyone wins. So teams, if you would, take your place behind the tables.
Teams, are you ready? On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
We got a real jam going down.
All right, we already got to let it fly. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
At the Space Jam. All right.
We got Wally holding that trophy back there. Let's hear it if you think Fire's going to win. What about police? Can everybody join me in the 10-second countdown? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, hands up, hands up. All right, we're going to do a count. They do look good, guys. They look pretty good. I would personally eat one of these. Let's see what's going on. Brooke, how many do we have for? I'll announce that 1 second. How many do you have? All right, guys. It looks like police is taking this one with 27 to 18. 1.
Everybody yell.
2, 3.
All right, here's some of the gas pumps they have. They do have 20. Okay, they have the sign turned on now for the gas prices here at the Wawa in Tipp City, Ohio. All right, just like the other Wawas we've been to, they have free air for your tires, which is really nice. The only other one I've seen that does this would be Sheets. So you can come over here and get some free air in those tires. Okay, on the outside perimeter of these Wawa stores, you'll see numbers on these little poles. And the numbers on the poles means that you can order your stuff online and it can come to you curbside. So all you have to do is do your order online on their website and let them know where you're at and what spot you're sitting in. All right, so they're doing the free coffee, which it says the free coffee ends on Sunday. I'm not a coffee drinker by chance, so I'm going to come over here where they have the other drinks. They have cappuccino and hot chocolates. We have some stuff you can add on to your drinks, and also they have hot chocolate. So I'm going to try a hot chocolate. All right, guys, I'm going to order myself a breakfast sandwich. Okay, there's the choices. I'm going to get a breakfast quesadilla. And I'm going to work my way through it. I'm going to get the bacon. Asked if I like to customize anything. I'm going to take it the way it is, except I'm going to add the egg white. And it's going to go all the way through anything else that I would like to add extra. And when I say no thanks, if I want nothing else, it'll end up giving me this receipt right here. And I just wait on my order. Okay, they're going to call your number, and they're going to give your order. In this clip, I had a little bit of audio issue while I was trying out my food item. I had gotten a bacon, egg, and cheese quesadilla, which cost me $5.69. As you can see here, I was trying it out, and you can't hear me, but it was a really good sandwich. It was a very large portion. And I also got a small hot chocolate, which was free since it was the grand opening. All right, so that's going to do it for today here at the Wawa here in Tipp City, Ohio. I walked around, I showed you inside of the store. I did go inside to confirm if there was going to be EV chargers at this location, and they told me no. So that's going to do it for the video for today. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget the hype button. And as always, we will see you down the road. Bye for now.